We will listen to a conversation between Akbos, Onye, and Otete. Akbos is introducing Otete to Onye. Onana Onyovume, or simply Ona Onyovume, Oderonye Otete. Otete Omagari. Omagari Wekobirwo. Idi odewe. Odeme Onye. Onyovu is sibling. It can be sister, it can also be brother. Onyovu, brother, sister, sibling. Onyovume, my sibling, my brother, my sister. Onana, ona, this. Onana onyovume, ononyovume, this is my sibling. Oderonye, his name. It can also mean her name. Oderonye, his name, her name. Oderonye Otete, his name is Otete. Omagari, are you fine? Are you good? Are you okay? Are you well? Are you strong? Omagari. Omagari. A means yes. Yes. Omagari. Yes, I am fine. Yes, I am good. Yes, I am strong. Omagari is the question. Omagari. The response. Omagari. Wekobirwo. Thank you. Idi odewe. What is your name? Odeme Onye. My name is Onye.